Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, October 16th. Seeing some cloudy and cool conditions out there this morning. We did see a few sprinkles earlier. It does look like that rain, for the most part, has weakened and moved on out of the area. Still can't rule out the very slight chance of an isolated sprinkle, though, through the remainder of the morning hours. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, you see those very light radar returns, especially at the start of this loop here. We have a weak disturbance to the south of the area. We do have winds to the north, as well as that front has moved south of the region, filling in with clouds behind it. We will continue to see that northerly flow throughout the morning hours, as well as a very slight chance of an isolated shower. There is some drier air filtering in the lower levels of the atmosphere, and that is helping to prevent any additional shower or any additional precipitation from these showers reaching the ground. So it does look like just a very slight chance of a sprinkle throughout the remainder of the morning as that front continues to move south of the region. We will see those winds lighten up as we go towards the afternoon. Also should see a little bit of a peak of sunshine today later this afternoon, but for the most part going to be looking at a cloudy to mostly cloudy day. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you can see that cold front draped across portions of southern Delmarva that helped to bring us a round of rain showers in the overnight hours, and that will continue to move south of the area today, and we're going to get some colder air building in behind it, and that's going to help to also keep these cloudy conditions throughout the area through the remainder of today. And then we are going to be getting another disturbance riding along this front tonight. Bulk of the rainfall will be falling south of the Wallops region, however, can't rule out some isolated shower activity, mainly between about 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. late tonight. As of 8:15 a.m., looking at a few clouds at 4,000 feet, broken deck at 7,000 feet, and overcast at 8. Winds are from the north, around 8 knots, with a temperature of 62 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing a morning high today. Our high couple hours ago was around 64 degrees, and that's likely going to be our high for today. I'm not expecting those temperatures to really increase much. Could get up and could increase a couple degrees depending on how much sun we get today, but it does look like we're going to be seeing a overcast day for the most part throughout the day today, so that will help to keep those temperatures down, especially with that northerly flow. Going to be seeing those winds weaken throughout the morning, becoming 3 to 8 knots from the northeast by the end of the workday, and then light and variable overnight. And then we're going to get that weak disturbance riding along that front south of the Wallops region with just a few isolated sprinkles or an isolated shower moving into our region, mainly between 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. late tonight and early Wednesday morning. We will be seeing those winds increase just a bit from the northwest at 4 to 9 knots by mid-morning Wednesday. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be just looking at those ceilings around 5,000 or 6,000 feet this morning, possibly raising up to around 12,000 feet with still scattered decks at the lower levels as we go towards this afternoon. Then as we go into the overnight hours, those ceilings will be lowering down to around 3,000 feet just after midnight, and then possibly becoming much lower as we get that weak disturbance moving across the moving south of the area after 4 a.m. Ceilings possibly getting as low as 500 to 1,000 feet at times with restricted visibilities, especially in any shower activity. We are expecting a low tonight around 53. The next couple days going to be looking at some fairly seasonable conditions. Tomorrow is going to be a very seasonable day with a high of 70. Going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies early. And then we're going to have high pressure building in, and that's going to help to really clear things out, becoming mostly sunny by afternoon. That high pressure building in is also going to tighten up that pressure gradient, giving us some breezy winds in the afternoon and evening. Not looking quite as windy as it had been looking yesterday when we were looking at our forecast, but still expecting a chance of a wind advisory by late tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday night, we're going to start to see some more colder air filtering into the area, and with those with less cloud cover, going to be seeing a better chance for some radiational cooling. Going to be still a bit breezy at times Wednesday night, but it's going to be very chilly with a low of 45. And then Thursday, with that high pressure firmly in place, we're going to be seeing some partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Still could be seeing just very slightly breezy conditions earlier in the day before those winds weaken, and it's going to be a rather cool day out there. High only reaching up to around 58, which is about 10 degrees below average. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.